For number 14, it says the triangle MNO is congruent to triangle ABC. If OM is, then OM is congruent to what? So if this is your OM, then it would be CA. So B. Alright, for number 15, we are given that angle W is congruent to angle N. So they're both 65. And Z is congruent to M, which is 25. You have to find the value of X. So I need to add these two together, 25 and 65. Subtract that from 180 to get my angle O. So 180 minus 90 gives me 90 degrees. So this 2x minus 8 equals 90. If I add 8, we get 98. And I would divide by 2 and get 49. So here, the value of X is 49. Okay, in number 23, it says list all the congruent sides and all the congruent angles. And then find the values of X and Y, find the measure of angle C. So really, this congruent statement can help you fill out both of these. So for this, it really should say like angle A is congruent to, and that would be angle P. Okay, and then angle B would be congruent to angle Q, and then angle C would be congruent to angle R. Alright, now for the segments, AB would be congruent to PQ, and then BC to QR, and CA to RP. Now, this part is for the actual measurements. So, let's go compare. So, A is P, so that means that this is 75. B, which is 60, is also Q, so this is 60. And it wants angle C, so we're going to have to add these together, subtract that from 180, and get angle C. Alright, so here we go. Let's solve for the two equations. Okay, so 10x equals 50. So x would be 5. Okay, and then I'm going to do the 7y minus 10 equals the 60. So y would be 10. And then to get angle C, I'd have to add the 60 and the 75. So this would give me 135, and then I would subtract that from 180, and that would give me 45 degrees. Alright, now the next page, we are identifying triangles by their congruency. So, for number 17, it says the two triangles are congruent by which method? So we have the side, we have an angle, and then we have this side that's reflexive to itself. So that's another side. So that's side, angle, side. So letter B. In number 18, we are given a side, an angle that's vertical, so they're congruent, and then another side. So again, we've got side, angle, side. In number 19, this one, we have matching pieces, but they're not in the right location. So, oh yeah, yes they are. Okay, so angle and angle. Then we have our side. Then we have another side. And we've discussed that we can't prove triangles using angle side side. So this is F, not enough information. In number 20, complete the statement and then identify the postulate or theorem that makes the statement true. So I want to see, okay, we've got an angle that matches up. We have a side reflexive to itself. Then we have another angle. So we could prove this by angle, side, angle. So if we're talking about triangle JIK, I'm also talking about triangle JIH. Okay, in 21, we have these angles that are equal to each other. They're vertical. So we have a side, an angle, and another side. So that's side, angle, side. And it looks like if they went D, C, E, we should go B, C, A. Since these would all match up then.